Yeah, today is Filipino Independence Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna celebrate with some Jollibee. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Made it to the Jollibee. It's a big one. We got a bunch of motorbikes outside, Vietnamese style. Trying to see if there's any unique items on the menu. Not sure. Yeah, do they have chicken bowl in the Philippines? Yeah, I don't think they have that chicken bowl in the Philippines. I don't know, most of the menu looks familiar. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get like a... There's only one thing, I only see one thing that's like not in the Philippines, so I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna get the 2-piece meal. Alright, I got the chicken. I didn't know it was this saucy. The photo didn't look this saucy, but she got the... This is not available in the Philippines, huh?
Yeah, I mean they have fried chicken, but not.
Yeah, but they don't have like the soup and the
vegetables, the salad.
Yeah. You got a typical
Jolly hot dog.
Jolly hot dog. Yeah, they got that in the Philippines too. But,
Happy Independence Day.
Alright. Yeah, happy Filipino Independence Day. We'll try this chicken in honor of all the lives that were lost.
The chicken lives.
The chicken life.
Oh, the soup is so good.
Yeah?
You should try it.
Alright.
It has squash and coriander. That's why the soup is so good.
Alright, try the chicken. That tastes like the Korean fried chicken. Yeah, it's the same sauce.
Yang yang?
Yeah. Or similar, it tastes similar. It's like a sweet and spicy sauce. A little bit sweet and sour spicy. Pretty good. Hey, you didn't even get chicken. I thought you wanted chicken.
I have mine. I'm just worried about his conservation.
No, I swear, I'm gonna poop my pants.
Go to the bathroom.
Against it.
Why? The bathroom right there.
He's gonna poop, but he's gonna eat.
Look for the bathroom.
Louie. Get tissue. In case there's no tissue. In case there's no tissue there.
Got a constipation from traveling. I think it's all coming out now. My girlfriend said this soup is very good. They don't have this soup in the Philippines. I'll try a little bit. Looks like squash or something. Yeah, that soup is good. Definitely tastes Vietnamese, not Filipino. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I totally forgot to mention, I didn't even notice they don't have gravy here. Or they don't give you gravy. That's like a typical thing you get in the Philippines. Actually, in American Jollibees, you get the gravy too, but yeah, you don't get the gravy here. Interesting. So yeah, these chickens seem bigger than the ones in the Philippines, or the pieces seem bigger. And yeah, my girlfriend said this one doesn't taste the same. What's the difference?
It's dry.
Huh? It's drier here?
Yeah.
Not. And the Philippines is dry too, sometimes. Like the breast?
Saltier or something in the Philippines. This one is
Saltier. Oh, okay. Maybe more seasoning over there? I'm not sure. But Philippines, Jollibee, I already felt like there's not that much seasoning. Well, there's salt, but the seasoning doesn't get too complicated. Huh? Yeah. Well, I don't know. I don't think they have this sweet and sour sauce flavor in the Philippines though.
not there.
Alright, we got done with the meal. I gotta pay attention around here. And yeah, we're just walking around. It was pretty good. I mean, Jollibee is Jollibee. They had like a some unique items on the menu, but most of it was familiar. Yeah, we're just walking around, let the food digest before we head back. There's a bakery. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's crazy stuff at the bakery over there.
Let's go.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is Korean. Oh wow, these are only 60K. That's cheap.
Look at the horse.
Huh?
And then you wanted that.
Yeah. Whoa, look at these pink Oreos. These pink Oreos. There's the Power Ranger ice cream or something.